Hello, America. This is Mark Hale with Wilson Print Marketing's Marketing Tip of the Day. What is the most important thing with a postcard design? The most important thing is your headline. The headline grabs attention and pulls the reader in. Now, how do you construct a good headline? A good headline usually contains a benefit or a need of the end user or the recipient of the mail piece. So what is it about your product? Why do they buy your product? What problem is your product solving for your customer or prospective customer? And then you take that headline or that problem and you put it into a headline. For example, the second most important thing with a postcard design is the graphics or the color of the image that you use in the, on the postcard. Now, the graphics should support and help call attention to the headline and the other benefits of the product or services that are being promoted. Just random pictures or random clip art, generally, if it doesn't tie in with the headline or the message, will be distracting to the reader and you'll lose them. They'll throw it straight in the trash. The third most important thing with a postcard is the offer, the price or the item or the value that you're putting forth to get the new customer. Let's face it, you're advertising a business. There is no such thing really as a new customer. Every customer that you're trying to lure into your business is doing business or has done business with one of your competitors or somebody else in your field. So you're really just buying customers. Now, how do you buy customers? You buy customers with the offer. The offer is the hook, the bait on the hook, pull in and buy. The fourth most important thing is your expiration or your end date of the offer. So you can buy one, get one free until December 21st, and then it goes away. This gives them reason to act now as opposed to acting, 6 months or a year from now. Now, a buy now offer does not always have to be a monetary thing. It can be if you're in a consulting type business, like a financial advisor or a doctor or a dentist or chiropractor. It can be like a free consultation, but be sure if you put free consultation in there or no obligation consultation, that you put what they're actually receiving in that consultation. Service are you going to provide them in that, that moment of time that they're coming in for their consultation? The fifth most important element of a successful postcard, most often the thing that's left out of most postcard designs, is the call to action. What do you want them to do? You want them to call, you want them to email you, you want them to scan the QR code to go to your website. But those are basically the most important things with any postcard design. And this actually will travel over to brochures or any other type of marketing that you're doing. It contains those main elements, the ad has a chance of working and being more successful than it doesn't. And here's a bonus tip. Resist the urge to put a lot of things in the advertising that you're putting out. I know you're spending money and it makes sense. It sounds logical that you would put 4 or 5 items or things on a postcard or in a message that you're running, but it never works. When you try to be everything to everybody, your advertising ends up in the trash and people don't respond to it. So focus your message, focus their attention on one product, at the most 2, but rule of thumb is you just want to keep it to one product. Don't over promote the services. Send your message out. Do a very good job of explaining what it is, why they want it, how they get it, and how much it costs in the advertising, and you'll get a lot more results. I hope this message helped you, and if you like this video, please share it with a friend and tell a buddy. And if you like the channel, please like it and subscribe to the channel below. We put a lot of how-to marketing information videos on a weekly basis, and you don't want to miss one. So subscribe to the channel. Thank you.